What's up guys, Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you this brand new affiliate marketing beginner's guide I created. It's a free PDF and I just want to go through it with you. I just created it because I had an old affiliate marketing ebook and it was just too long. You know, nobody wants to read ebooks nowadays. So I made it kind of like in a shorter compressed version, and it's just the 5 proven steps to start and grow your online business. So without any further ado, let me hop into my computer and let's get into the video. All right, welcome to my computer. So this is the actual guide right here. I have it opened up. I just want to show you real quick. I actually made this inside of Canva. I'll have a link in the description below. It's a completely free tool, but if you use that link and make one design, we each get a free credit and you can get just like cool photos and not have to pay $1. So it's not a big deal. You don't have to use it at all. But if you do want to use Canva, check that out. And I actually have a video where I show you how to make these PDFs. I'll link that up above if you're interested in actually making your own. But if you do want to get the actual PDF, it'll be linked in the description as well. But that's enough yapping. So let's look into this, right? Before I had, like I said, the affiliate marketing ebook, and that was like 27 pages. So I got this down to 8 now, 8 or 7 or 8. It's just much easier to read, to digest, and to learn, and to most importantly, implement. But if you're thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing, these are the 5 steps that you have to follow to actually succeed. And especially if you're trying to start your online business, follow these to a T and you will have a much better chance of succeeding. I promise you that. All right, so step 1 is picking a niche, right? So this means, if you don't know what a niche is, it's just like a category, right? A subcategory of like a larger market. So for example, the 3 big markets are like health, wealth, and relationships, right? So for example, a niche would be like in the wealth market would be like make money online. And then you could take that down a step further, do like affiliate marketing. You could take that down a step further, do like ClickBank affiliate marketing. And if that's not making sense at all, I'll link up above to another video. And that just explains ClickBank affiliate marketing. But I'm assuming you understand this stuff a little bit. But if you don't, that's totally cool. In here, I explain it all too, right? So I say, the best way to pick a niche is to just simply go after something you're passionate about. And then I say, however, since you opted in for this guide, which again, link in the description if you want it, the easiest way would be to just teach others what you're currently learning and interested about after implementing it. So it's what we call learn, do, teach, right? So you don't have to be a super guru or a super expert. You just have to be 1 page ahead. Right? It's like the movie Catch Me If You Can, if you've ever seen it. It's with Leonardo DiCaprio, and he's just like a master of deception. And what he's doing is he's a teacher, right? They asked him how he was able to teach the whole class, right? All he had to do was stay 1 page ahead. And that's all you have to do with affiliate marketing or any niche. You just have to learn, do, and teach. Just 1 chapter ahead, right? 1 page ahead. That's all you got to do. So it's pretty simple. So right there, I say there's many subcategories, and I already kind of explained that. But I also say it's pretty important to try and get clear on what it is you're interested in, even if that's not affiliate marketing. Like I said, it could be racing drones, working out, dancing, anything, right? But it'll be much, much easier if you can get clear on what niche you pick. Not only is it easier for you, but it makes it easier for the person to see you as the expert in the niche, which in turn makes it easier for you to serve them and for them to buy from you. Okay, so that's just pretty much chapter 1. Pretty simple. And then I also just add, try not to get stuck on this step because you can always change your niche, but you can never get back your wasted time, right? So anyways, step 2, you need a product. And more importantly, you need a product that aligns with you and your values. Because not only does it affect you with how much money you make, but it affects how people will view you depending on the value or lack thereof in your product, right? So for me, I promote one main product, and it's a product I truly believe in and a product that is high ticket, and you can actually get in at a pretty cheap price because it has a good value ladder. And that's truly my number 1 recommendation. And they have a 15-day Business Builder Challenge, and it's only $7. That's literally what I pay for an iced coffee at Starbucks. So I just talk about, you can grab my number 1 recommendation. It's at the bottom right here, or you can click here to get it. But that's what I suggest, especially if you're just starting out, even if you're not. It just gives you so much value for the price of so little. Literally, you can buy $1,000 courses that have less value that's in this challenge. Legit. So anyways, I just talk about the training a little bit. And then if you're going to pick another niche, they have affiliate networks like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo. And those are just where you can find affiliate programs to promote, right? In any niche. So for example, if we go to ClickBank here, and then you go up here to Affiliate Marketplace, you can see they have all these categories here. And this is like a broad category. And then you can go like right here into games. And then it's like console guides and repairs, or like go into health and fitness. Then it's like addiction, beauty, dental health, so much. It gets more niche, right? So that's step 2, right? You need to find a product that aligns with you. And I'm not saying not to promote multiple products, but just starting out, just having one product is probably the best way to go. But definitely make sure that you can find one that aligns with you before you go all in on the niche you're picking. Okay? I hope that makes sense. And if you're getting some value out of this, could you smash like on this video? It really helps the video, so I'd really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, comment down below and let me know. But let's move on. So step number 3, this is so important. So for me, I started on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, blogging, LinkedIn. I'm not kidding you. TikTok, everything, right? YouTube. And it just doesn't work, you know? And I respect Gary Vee so much, but he talks about you just have to post on everything, right? And trust me, I tried it. As one person, you just don't have the time. Even if you're just posting the same thing everywhere, I don't know. I mean, it's up to you. You can try it out if you want, but my suggestion is just to pick one. I highly, highly suggest that you start with only one, actually. And there are a few platforms where you would want like a support platform. I say right here, like for example, if you're blogging, having Pinterest as your support platform is 100% the way to go, guaranteed. But like I said, I do have Facebook and YouTube, but I would be much further along on YouTube if I just stuck with only YouTube. So I'm telling you, focus or lack thereof is not a good thing to have in business. Okay, you want to be focused. So that's pretty much what I say there. And I say all the platforms work, but you have to just pick one and roll with it. You know what I mean? So step 4, get prepared. I say this is arguably the most important step, right? By failing to prepare, you prepare to fail. Benjamin Franklin. I love that quote. You know what I mean? So I truly believe in that quote wholeheartedly. However, this does mean something different for everyone because what you have to prepare for depends on your budget and which platform you pick. You know what I mean? So for example, if you're doing YouTube, there's 2 ways you could go about it. You could use your phone in front of the window for light, or you could use a webcam or a digital camera with softboxes for light. It all depends on your budget and it depends on the platform. Because if you're doing blogging, it wouldn't make sense to go out and buy a digital camera, right? But it would make sense to actually maybe, I don't know, what do you need for blogging? Blogging, I mean hosting, right? Web hosting. So that's just an example, and it's going to be different for everyone. But I have linked here. It's thomasgaretz.com/tools, and that's where I'll just show you. So right here, this is just the tools I recommend. And you can see right here, ClickFunnels and then ConvertKit. Those are like the 2 main things, right? But the thing about ClickFunnels, it's $97 a month. And ConvertKit, you need ConvertKit to begin with, and I'll get into that. So I say right here, there are a couple things you need when starting an online business that you absolutely need. Not just need, like you need, right? If that makes sense. And below is the most important one, which is ConvertKit, which I was just talking about. And this is what's called an email autoresponder, okay? So it's only $30 a month, and you can actually create landing pages with ConvertKit. Okay, it's not going to be as like good looking. I'm not saying they don't look good, but you can't customize it as much, I should say. You can't have as much control over it as if you were using a landing page software like ClickFunnels. You know what I mean? So that's up to you. It depends again on your budget, but check that out. And this video I have linked right here. I'll put it up above in the cards, but that's actually a video that shows you how to create landing pages with ClickFunnels, but at the end I show you with ConvertKit. And it's actually for affiliate marketing products on ClickBank. So that's a great video. Definitely check that out when you're done with this. But then I just have links to, ConvertKit and ClickFunnels. Those are my affiliate links. I will get paid if you click and buy, and I really appreciate it, but that's totally optional. I also have a complete tutorial that teaches you how to use Canva, because once you've signed up for ConvertKit, you have to create a lead magnet. It's just trading something for an email, right? So this thing took me, I don't know, an hour and a half to make, but the ebook I made, the 27-page ebook, took me multiple days. In the video, I explain how you should make something like this or a cheat sheet, something basic, right? But it's still valuable. Basic does not mean not valuable, right? I hope that makes sense, and it's just needed, right? You gotta start building your list, and it's just important. Okay, so after step 4, we're on to step 5. And I said step 4 is arguably the most important, but I was wrong. Step 5 is the most important. I say you can pick a niche, pick a product, pick a platform, and prepare all you want, but if you don't actually create the content that your audience is looking for, you have no chance to make money. Okay, and sure, there's paid ads, but if you don't have a budget, that's literally. So if you're going to be doing this with free traffic, you have to be creating content. It's just the fact of the matter. So I say so many people complicate creating content, but it's really quite simple. All you have to do is find successful people and do what they're doing, literally. And obviously they have to be in your niche, but you can also look at people outside of your niche to just kind of see what they're doing. Obviously you wouldn't make the same content as them, but yeah, I hope that makes sense. So I say right here, whether you're blogging, podcasting, growing a Facebook group, or starting a YouTube channel, it's all the same. Find successful people in your niche and model them. But in all seriousness, that's actually all you have to do. It's what I do on YouTube, along with some other strategies for finding out what people are searching in for to find out how we can create helpful content, right? So it's, again, really that simple. Pick an upload schedule that works for you. Be focused, be prepared, work your butt off, and you'll be guaranteed to have an unfair advantage over your competition. But just remember to do these steps in order, and I promise, like I said, you will have an advantage. Trust me. And if you do want to connect with me online, the next page is where you'll find me. So that's the last page, is just the connect with me page. I have my Facebook group, my YouTube channel, and my website. And then I just talk about my #1 recommendation again, which is, again, the first link in the description. You can't miss it. I'll put a picture right here. So check that out if you're interested. And if you have any questions, again, comment down below. And with that being said, make sure to smash the like button. You can watch these videos here. And that's all I got. See you on the next video.